take a closer look at the Explore mode in Autodesk Forma. In Explore mode, what this does, it's basically creating sort of a set of options for you to select, or for you to sketch on, or for you to start not from point 0 but point 1 or point 2 to sketching on top of what it offers you. So if we press H, you'll see the blog post related to this uh, option, and it's basically generative design features. You can read the posts, questions, and everything related to this here on this Explore tool. And if I come over to Explore, you can draw something somewhere, and then it will generate you these kind of options. You can go to the next step, next page, or next tab, and then you see some trees and everything here, and you can controls it if you're not happy with the result. You can always trace on an existing shape, such as this one. So if I select this, it will create, you see, 3 different options, and I select this, for instance, and what we are seeing here, the layout. So if I click here, you will take out the road, you will take out the trees, or you'll add trees. You'll take out the roads, or you'll add the roads. You'll take out, I can take out the buildings, you cannot take out the building. But you see, linear blocks are off, tower buildings are off, only city blocks are on. And we can say now, and when we do this, we only have these options. Oh, sorry, mixed on. And we can say tower buildings, we can have tower buildings and city blocks. We can have tower buildings, city blocks, and linear buildings. Or we can have linear buildings only, and we can have mixed. Okay, so this is again to make you start sketching. You can have for instance, let's have all of them as a starting point, and let's select one of these. Select this, and you see it says 4 stories. I want to have 10 stories. When I have 10 stories, it will change the design. Okay, and I can say not 12, 25, let's say, and it will probably, yeah, you see, it changes the how it sits onto the plot. Or oops, we can say 5 to this. You see, it's changing the width of the building. You can say, I don't know, like 15 to this, and it will change the width of the building. We can change this to, I don't know, 10, and when we have this as 10, or when we have this as 5, the length doesn't go with 5, I think. Minimum 20, let's say. You see, we are having different options. So all this are the tower block width. You see, building width, division width, number of floors, road width, clamp buildings to terrain. And you can say, okay, I don't want to have any roads here. I don't want to have any trees here. And you see, we change things. So we can have tower block width, like let's say 15 meters, and it just rearranges everything. Okay, so you can play around with this. I think it's quite fun to play around with this, but ways we can have 10 here. But you know, it's basically like sketching tool, I would say. Okay, and you see we have tree spacing. We can change tree spacing to, I don't know, 3 meters, which will have more trees. The height can be changed to 8.5 meters. You see, it's only having one single arrangement for the trees. We can say off. And right after we're happy with this result, let's say we want to keep this result, we can select this building and then say 15 for this, you know, and building height or the floor height can be 5 for this, etc., etc. So this is how we can use the tool Explore in Autodesk Forma. So I'll see you in the next one.